open that one.
That one's not a first edition pack.
That's an issue.
This is an unlimited pack.
Oh, no.
Yeah, look, they're open.
Yeah, no, that's a major fucking issue.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And I have recently been really into Pokemon. I used to collect Pokemon cards, but recently there's been a big scandal. Actually, it just happened where somebody opened a $375,000 first edition Pokemon box and it turned out to be a fake. The clip you just saw, they were opening the packs and clearly the packs were not new, they had been resealed. Today I want to focus on this scandal and just what people are saying happened. How did this happen? Why did this happen? And the focus is going to be on this dude. Now, disclaimer, this is my opinion, so nobody listen to me, but this is just a reminder for no matter what you're invested in, make sure you do your due diligence. Now, the guys that bought this box, they're part of Dumb Money Live. They're smart in that they wanted to make sure it was real and they opened it on stream. Real quick, if you don't know what this is actually, this is a Pokemon booster box. It contains 18 booster packs, and in each pack there are 11 cards, and out of the 11 cards is one rare card or holo cards, and holo cards are shiny and they are going anywhere from a couple $100s to over $100,000 if you get a Charizard. And the first edition Pokemon box is the most coveted box of all time. It's one of the oldest, it's the original, it's the base set. These cards are worth a tremendous amount. Every single card in that pack that you open are worth a lot, especially the rares. So people are not just buying this for nostalgia now, they're buying this as an investment. Even Gary Vee once said that trading cards, he has a history in baseball, they will someday be like works of art in a museum, like a Picasso or something. Now, that sounds very exaggerated, but we're talking about a much longer time frame. So in 100 or 200 years, a Pikachu card from 200 years ago, that actually is going to be worth a lot. And even in our lifetimes, a decade, 2 decades, 3 decades from now, I believe Pokemon cards will have probably 20x in value just because there's a finite amount of them. And I'm not talking about the newer Pokemon cards. We are talking about the originals. And that's why this box is worth so much, is because it's from way back in the day.
But the price is inflating because more wealthy people are coming into money who find it nostalgic, wanting to buy them. Whoever opens it, you feel like a kid.
So that was the one good thing Collectible Gurus has said. That is this bald guy. And there's a lot of controversy behind this dude because, long story short, people are very suspicious of why this box ended up being fake, because Collectibles Guru said he had dealt with the seller of this box, that he's a good guy, that he's done a lot of deals, and he said that this box was kept in a vault in this seller's basement that his parents had bought him when he was a kid. There was 3 of them that he kept in a vault. And Collectibles Guru is the one selling it to these guys on Dumb Money Line. So there's a seller chain. So again, I'll repeat, there is this unknown, unnamed seller who sold it to Collectibles Guru, and Collectibles Guru sold it to Dumb Money Live, these guys. Collectibles Guru bought this box for about $150,000, held onto it for a little bit of time, and he has resold it to Dumb Money Live for $375,000. So that is a really nice profit for him. Collectibles Guru has also said that the guy he bought it from gave him a guarantee that if this turns out to be fake, he will give him a full refund. But now the question is, where did these fakes come in? Because when they opened this booster box, it turns out that some of the cards were from 2020, meaning it was very recently, this year, resealed. This was not resealed 5, 10, 20 years ago. So this cellophane, this is all fake, because within the boxes, so many of these packs have already been opened and they contain cards that were not from this generation. So people on the internet, I'm just saying what they suspect, they are wondering how much Collectibles Guru actually knew about this, because his energy on YouTube, on his Instagram, is kind of a little bro-y and douchey. he's very transparent that to him, Pokemon, it is a passion. He really likes it, but at the end of the day, it's about money. So people don't like him because it seems like he's made it all about business, and he's also gave inflated prices on Logan's stream. There was a Bulbasaur incident where Bulbasaurs are Pokemon, if you don't know, and he said it would be worth $30,000, and many people quickly corrected him, saying that that was only a $3,000 card. But Collectibles Guru, by saying all these incredibly inflated numbers on Logan Paul's screen, single-handedly probably inflated the prices of Pokemon by a lot. And if you are trying to sell Pokemon cards, that technically is good for you, but for the collecting community as a whole, they basically thought that it was not healthy. You shouldn't just lie about market prices because that boosts it up too much and not as many people can get involved. And it's just a little bit scummy. So that's his history, and that's the drama that's followed him. And now this is just another black mark because he's the expert in this situation, because Dumb Money Live, actually, they don't know that much about Pokemon. So he's the person vouching for this box, who checked this box and, you know, acquired it for Dumb Money Live. That's kind of what he's getting paid for. The whole stream is pretty interesting if you like to psychoanalyze stuff, but I'm just gonna read this comment that I think is pretty interesting. That's all I'll say, and I think it sums up the situation pretty well. This is just psychoanalyzing the Collectibles card guru and how he behaved. He, Collectibles Guru, goes from very confident, egoistic. Everyone at the table starts asking questions about this box, including Leon, who is a very popular Pokemon card YouTuber, and he's definitely an expert on Pokemon cards. And they start to do their due diligence to pick apart the box before they actually break the seal. And then the Collectibles Guru seems to get nervous, not in a manner that may give away the fact that he knows it's fake, but the fact that he knows there's a chance this box is a dud. So he goes from confidence to seeming a little timid, and I also sense this, that occasionally it seemed like his voice was shaking. Body language also shifts a little bit. This could totally be all in his head. He could totally be wrong. I'm just reading what he's saying. But I actually also saw that he shifted his position. He put his hands in his pockets once he found out the box was going to get opened live, because it didn't seem like he was expecting that. And Collectibles Guru preemptively starts showing everybody parts of the box and saying, this is what I checked, this is what I checked. If it was fake, it wouldn't have this mark. You can do this kind of trick to see, you know, the length of the wrapper. All this stuff to basically preemptively show them that, okay, he tried his best to make sure it was good. Even though he said he's had a few of these boxes and has done business with this supposed legitimate seller before his confidence took a stark drop off the plateau in a seemingly immediate manner. He tipped his hand faster than anyone else in this video could have. So, I don't want to accuse Collectibles Guru of anything. I think it's very likely he got scammed. But we know the chain of sellers, and it shouldn't be that hard to figure out at what point did people get scammed. Because the person that sold it to him gave him a guarantee saying, if this is fake, I will refund you your money. When it's discovered it's fake, you can see Collectibles Guru talking on the phone saying this is unacceptable and all that. He just doesn't seem that surprised. He seems more nervous, in my opinion, and very quickly he says, I can get you guys another box by tomorrow, no worries. And it seems like a very simple answer to him. It's not how I would have reacted. If I was in that situation and I had done something sketchy, or I had little inside information about maybe this box could be fake, I feel like I would probably act like him to kind of cover my tracks, to preemptively point out, you know, all the things I checked so they knew I do due diligence, but also point out that, you know, we can't know for sure. And that is something I noticed from the beginning. He's very confident, and a little bit later he's just saying, well, you know, we can never be 100% sure until we open the box, kind of like hedging his risks a little bit. Lesson of the day, do your due diligence. Even if you have some trusted person you're buying something from, or a friend, a family member you're investing a business in, somebody you really trust, you can't rely on them because maybe they trusted somebody that wasn't reliable. They don't have the same eyes and ears and nose and mouth you do. So do your own taste and smell test. It could only help. That's it for this video. I know it's kind of different, but I actually do have a more comprehensive Pokemon video in the works where I actually recorded myself organizing my cards and sending them to get graded, because I actually do think if you have cards, it's a really good investment So I would consider keeping them in good condition and getting them graded. But please like this video if it was helpful or fun at all. This is Green Knight Trading, where Squires become knights. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you soon.